Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel and happy new year to you all. In today's video I'm going to show you another quick recipe that you can make using your leftover roast vegetables. So for ingredients, we have a bowl of bulgur wheat, we have ginger, garlic and all-purpose seasoning, we have paprika, parsley, oregano and chicken thigh with 1 plum tomatoes. Now in my cooking pot I already added a little bit of water, salt and oil. I bring that to a boil and now I'm adding the bulgur wheat. Within 12 to 15 minutes it will be cooked and ready to be served. If today is your first time coming across my channel, I'm Kai and I share quick, easy and very delicious recipes on this channel. Whilst that is cooking, I'm going to start preparing the sauce. So I just heated up the oil 2 to 3 minutes and now I'm going in with the plum tomatoes. Because it wasn't blended, this is how I'm just going to make the tomatoes a little bit smooth. Remember, it's a quick recipe, so you don't need to blend it to have the perfect sauce. Okay, now it's time to add the ginger, garlic, all-purpose seasoning and also the parsley, oregano and paprika. Let this cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Whilst this is cooking, I'm going to quickly check on the bulgur to see if it's ready. And our bulgur is very well cooked. You can see how fluffy it is. I'm going to cover it up and focus on the sauce. To all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Keep your comments coming and thanks so much for your continuous support. I know you enjoy this channel, that's why you keep coming back. So if you would love to help me grow more this year, kindly give this video a thumbs up and also share with family and friends. It's time now to add the chicken. This meal I'm making it just for myself, so if you are cooking this for a big number of people, you just need to add more of the same ingredients and that would do. I'm going in now with the leftover vegetables. Remember, after Christmas or New Year you have lots of leftover food. Just reuse your leftover and make a good and very yummy meal out of it. And that is what I'm doing today. It could be your leftover turkey. Instead of this chicken, for example, use turkey or fish. Is up to you. Now, you can just check the sauce and see if you need a little bit of salt. Add to this sauce slash stew. And as you can see, I didn't need any salt, so my stew is ready and I'm going to serve it right away. If you're not a big fan of bulgur, feel free to use quinoa, couscous or some rice. You're also going to enjoy this recipe using them. If you're new here and you enjoyed today's recipe, kindly subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on so you can be notified when I upload another quick and very yummy recipe. Now it's time for me to grab the fork and dive right into this food. And in Togo we say midunule, which means you are invited also to join me right here. As usual, is another recipe that I really enjoyed, and if you enjoyed it as well, why not give it a try and let me know what you think. And you can see right there, this chicken thigh for sure is calling your name. It was so nice. I'm going to wash this whole thing down with a glass of Coke. Cheers guys and happy new year. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Voilà, c'est la fin de cette vidéo. J'espère que vous avez aimé. Bonne heureuse année. Au revoir.